Hello friends, my name is Rashid Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn Python basics in 60 seconds. Let's get started. Create a new file 1.py, print, save it and run py1.py. You can see the result. Now segment variables, the result. You can see the result. Now move to the third point is data types. The fourth concept is simple math operations like check the result. Now let's understand if-else statements. Did else print semicolon. Come to the next part, which is loops. Run. You can see the resultant loop, which is while loop. For while loop we need to declare variable for the result. Now let's move to the next part, which is creating functions in Python. To declare a function we use def keyword. If it is parameterized, then we need to pass the value. Let's suppose alert. Now come to the next part, which is lists and dictionaries. To create a list in Python we use square brackets. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe and click bell icons so that you can receive the notifications of videos when I upload.